Good morning, students. It's me, Miss Sania, your Pakistan Studies teacher, and today we are back with another topic. As you all know that we have completed Gawad report in the previous lecture, so today I am starting with a new chapter with the name of Concepts and Characteristics of Population, in which we are going to discuss about different elements of population, why this chapter is important, what is the outcome of population, and everything related to it. But before moving forward, hurry up, grab your notebook along with pencil and pen and start noting the important pointers. And yes, you're already familiar with other guidelines. So let's get started. You can see a picture already which has been appeared on the screen, in which you can see different kind of people who are standing. So this picture also reflects about the topic which we are going to study. Now, SLO number 7.1.1, I am going to discuss this topic in detail because there were multiple questions which were included in the past papers, right? So we will go through all of these questions in detail. Now, starting from SLO number 7.1.1, which says that we have to define census, population growth, urbanization, migration, and demography. Now, moving forward to census. Census is an official count or survey of population. When we talk about official count, then it says that it is a survey report. Let's suppose that if I say that how much is the population of Pakistan, then definitely you have to survey. It means you have to go to different areas, you have to record the data that how many people are living over there and all that stuff. And then finally, a census is created. So that is an official report, that is an official count which you go somewhere and you're collecting data and then you're reporting it to the person who have asked you to do so. Now, coming to population growth, the population growth of any country is the outcome of natural increase, birth, death, and net migration. When we talk about population growth, then it is the natural increase. How many people have died in how many people have died this year, how many people were born this year. So everything is related to population growth, and that is also known as the net migration. It means that how many people are migrating from one place to another. In this context you can also take that. And yes, there is one more thing, that is the natural increase. Death rate, either it occurs with accidents and any sort of thing like that, but in moreover cases it is the natural death which is caused by something. Now, moving forward to urbanization, the process by which large number of people became permanently concentrated in relatively small areas forming cities. Urbanization means the city life in which people are living. Now, the major difference between the urban and rural areas is the area of village, and urbanization is the city life. The major difference is that when you're living in village, then the area, the houses which are situated in villages are far from one another. It means there is a long distance between the houses. But when I talk about urbanization, or when I talk about city life, then definitely people are living together, people are living into that area in which you'll see there is no such distance between two of the buildings which are together. You can see it very clearly that there is a slight difference or a slight distance between both of the buildings. So it means that in the city life, there are multiple people or the large number of people which are living into the urban area. And the reasons behind this is because they are getting each and every facility which is required to spend a healthy and a good life. It means that here you're having job opportunity as well. Here you're having CNG stations, you're also having electricity, you're also having solar system, you're having car, you're having CCTVs, you're having money. It means each and everything which is required, you're having everything under this roof. Now, migration, the movement of population from one region to another. When I talk about migration, it means that you are moving from one place to another. So you can see there is a map on the right side, and here you can see that things are located over here. It means places are located. People are traveling from one place to another, either to discover, either for an official meeting, or either for vacations or any other purpose, right? So this is known as, but yes, see, migration means that you are not actually going to spend vacation somewhere. It actually means that you are going from one place to another to stay over there and to live over there. That is known as migration. Coming towards demography, the study of the human structure of human population using statistics related to death, birth, wealth, and diseases. When I talk about demography, then it actually concludes about the human population. How do you know about it? Automatically, you need a statics. It means you have to survey to different places. You have to collect data related to death, birth, wealth, and diseases. And this is how you can calculate it, and this is how you can calculate the demography, and the results will appear in front of you. There were multiple questions related to the definition of demography which appeared into the past papers. You can check it out as well. So the assignment for today is the four questions which are listed below, which you have to do into your notebook, and then you have to submit your work under my instructions on KP. According to this assignment, question number one says that a census is important for the economic development of a country. Explain briefly. Question number two, what do you mean by the term population growth and demography? Question number three, explain the reasons behind urbanization increasing in Pakistan. And question number four, why do people migrate from one place to another? So you have to do all these questions into your notebook. Thank you so much, everyone, for listening to us. And I hope that this presentation turned out to be informative for you and all of these concepts are pretty much clear. Still, if you're having any questions, so definitely you can ask me on in the comments section on KP. Till then, we'll return back with another presentation for all of you. Till then, take care, Barakallah, and Allah Hafiz.